Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this inviting shrimp veggie stir fry noodles. So guys, let's go through our ingredients. So for this recipe I'm using 4 packs of noodles. You can use any noodles of your choice. I'm using 1 onion, half green bell pepper, some spring onion, 2 carrots, 2 red bell pepper, and 3 red bell pepper. I'm using some shrimps, broccoli, garlic and ginger, light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, black pepper, pinch of salt, and half cup of boiling water to parboil your noodles. So guys, you don't want your noodles to be very cooked so it won't get mushy. You just want to cook it a little bit. So I'm adding the seasoning that came with my noodles, and I'm just going to give it a nice stir to mix it up and allow it to cook for just a little bit, medium cooked. So at this moment I will get my pan and I will start stir frying my shrimp. I already take off the noodles from my pot. So I'm just going to add in some black pepper and a pinch of salt, and I'm going to add a little bit of the ginger and garlic. So I'm just going to stir fry my shrimp for just a minute. So when I'm done stir frying the shrimp, I'm going to set it aside. So right now I'm going to start stir frying my veggies. I'm stir frying my onion for about a minute. And now I'm adding in the other part of the ginger and garlic. So after a minute of stir frying the both, I'm going to start adding my veggies. So I'm going to stir fry my carrots, for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to start adding my other veggies, and I'm going to be stir frying them now for 2 minutes. So at this moment you want your fire to be on a medium heat, on a high medium heat. So when I'm done stir frying for 2 minutes, I'm going to be adding in my noodles to my veggies. And I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons light soy sauce. And I'm going to be adding my 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. I'm going to be adding the broccoli, and I'm going to give them all a very nice stir. And at this moment I'm going to keep on stirring it and allow it to stir fry for extra 3 minutes. So guys, you can see it's all well mixed. So I'm going to leave it on a medium heat and leave it to cook for 3 minutes altogether. My veggies were stir fried for 5 minutes. My veggies and pasta was stir fried for 5 minutes. So I just added the already stir fried shrimps, and I add my spring onion at this moment. I'm going to give it a nice stir and I will set it aside and ready to enjoy. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you love this recipe, check out my other videos as you're going to love them, and please don't forget to click that like button, hit the notification bell when you're done subscribing so you'll be notified anytime I post any delicious recipe, lifestyle vlog, family vlog. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to drop me a comment and let me know if there's any recipe you would like me to make. Thank you very much guys. So guys, let's enjoy this delicacy. And if you want to see more of my pictures, my recipes, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Lydia Isaac TV, so we can be friends and share a lot more recipes. Thank you very much guys. Bye.